Welcome to the Chicken Special Edition. So, anyway, it's Thanksgiving. Yeah, the Thanksgiving is today. So, here they are. But, oh, they fell down. So, yeah. So here they are. The Chicken Special. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna show you something, somewhere around here. Okay, so now we're out here, outside. So here they are. Those are my two chickens. Yeah. So, for the Chicken Special, I'm gonna trying to make those two chickens to get, like, into the hoop, the basketball hoop. So, are you ready to see those two chickens getting into the basketball hoop? Let's go for it. Starting now. Yeah, that was a great fun. Trying to make those two chickens into the basketball hoop. So apparently this chicken was stuck on a net. And I had to get a red pole to get him out. And apparently this chicken made it through. So, yeah. So that's it for the Chicken Special. Like, comment, subscribe. We might see you later.